Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make chorizo and egg burritos. Or tacos, or however you want to eat them. Now I just buy chorizo at the store. It's like $2 for a whole tube. And it's pretty good. For the price, it's cheap, and it's, you know, in my opinion, the best breakfast burrito there is. Of course, the first thing you want to do is heat up the chorizo. Just squeeze it out of the plastic tube it comes in. And you want to make sure it's all loose like this. That's all the fat and water being cooked out. And you want to keep doing that till it gets kind of thick like a gravy-ish. You cook most of the water away, but there'll be a lot of fat in there. And you want to keep that fat. You don't want to drain it because that's where all the flavor's at. And there you go. I'm adding 4 eggs. Just right into it. Give it a stir. Now of course, any leftover chorizo mix, you can make a burrito and freeze them and have yourself homemade frozen breakfast burritos. So, you don't have to cook breakfast every morning. And of course you want to add the cheese. Now this is Mexican cheese, Fresca. That's very good crumbly cheese. And you want to add in just before the eggs are finished cooking. That way the cheese will melt as the eggs finish being cooked, so if you don't have overcooked eggs. And of course make the burrito and fold it like so. It's super easy and super tasty. Now I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the food. Thank you for watching.